Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Mabel in Hamburg. If this is your first time coming across my video, you're welcome. For my old returnees, thank you for being subscribed and thank you for staying subscribed. So lovelies, in this video, as you can see from the title, it's a collective haul. So what I've been buying, whoa. So I went shop. Let me show you guys. So this, oh my goodness, like, is this not gorgeous? Like, this is so
I need you, and you're off my radar now. I've lost you, telling you that I need you, but you're off my radar now. Found myself in between the lines, underneath your bed.
so elegant, timeless, classy. So I took this, and it was also the only 38.5 that was available. So I took this 38.5 and really fits. Wow, super. So
Lose my perspective, oh God, have I lost it? But my cravings for you so shameless, can't get enough. I've lost you, but I need you, and you're off my radar now. I've lost you, telling you that I need you, but you're off my radar now. I'm like an outcast from pillar to post. There's no denial, I'm chasing ghosts. I'm like an outcast from pillar.
my goodness, the next is from Zara. Like, this is the Zara new in, and I so much love this. Yes, so I got these, I think, for 29 euros. Yeah, 29 euros 95, and I so much love this. Like, really beautiful, this pink color.
But I need you, and you're off my radar now. I've lost you, yeah, I lost you, telling you that I need you, but you're off my radar now. I've lost you, I've lost you. I keep on looking for you.
So let's move to the next. To the next is another pink that I'm gonna show you guys. Is this beautiful pink coat. Like, it's kind of a nude pink coat. I really love. Still new in my collection as well. So really beautiful, and can't wait to show you guys. I think I got this for 400 and, oh, was it 490 or 419? 419 euros.
Closer to me, I've lost you, but I need you, and you're off my radar now. I've lost you, telling you that I need you, but you're off my radar now. Found myself in between the lines, underneath your bed sheets. It started fun, but now I'm in too deep into this flow. A zero-sum game that I will lose. There's no zipping past it. Every time you walk away from me, I want you. How could I want you more? Or when did I lose my perspective? Oh God, have I lost it? But my cravings for you so shameless, can't get enough.
So without any further ado, let's just get into the video. And the first one that I'm wearing is from Mango. Oh my goodness. So when I saw this on the Mango website, I was just like, oh my goodness, need to get these. And yeah, so the texture is 90% wool and 10% cashmere. So really cute. The pants and also the sweater as well. What I love about the sweater is that this sweater is curved, like, you know, this is how it looks. And also the pants is high-waisted, and that's so lovely. You can see the pants high-waisted and really beautiful. Just love this. Like, you can also wear this spring season as well, so you just need to put a light jacket or whatever, or a blazer on top of it, and you're really ready to go. And actually, when I'm wearing this out, or when I style this, I style this with mine. So I style this with this beautiful jacket from Esprit, and yes, so they both look cute together, and yes, so really beautiful. But when I will be styling, or when I will be wearing it again, so definitely I'm gonna wear it with my new Zara blazer. I think they do match together as well, so just wait, let me wear it. So this is from the new collection, Zara New In, and I got this also in my actual size M. Really beautiful. So, and this Zara blazer, I got this Zara blazer for €69.95, and I really love this color. Like, just look at the multicolor. Like, you really need to see this. You can, you guys can see better. So
it's really a bad reception out there. Where you heading? Why ain't gravity pulling you in closer to me? I've lost you, but I need you, and you're off my radar now.
So lovelies, we've come to the end of the video. Hope you love my video, and if you do, don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell so you get posted whenever I upload a new video, and also follow me on Instagram, Mabel in Hamburg. See you all on my next video. Love you to the moon and back. Love you to the moon and back. Bye.
When did I lose my perspective? Oh God, have I lost it?